very, very much for making it to day one of Franchise Asia Philippines. We guarantee it is going to be worth your while. So that banner, explore, expand, and excel. This is empowerment through franchising.
Your presence here is a clear indication of your commitment to the continued growth and advancement of the franchise industry. Together, let us make Franchise Asia Philippines 2024 a celebration of learning, empowerment, and excellence. We can also call this education over and think. Mabuhay tayong lahat.
With pride and honor, I now formally declare the Franchise Asia Philippines 2024 open.
My greatest pleasure that I welcome you all to the 2024 Franchise Asia Philippines International Conference. Maraming salamat at mabuhay tayong lahat.
This year is particularly special as we are celebrating the 10th anniversary of Next Gen in Franchising Philippines. As we reach more and more entrepreneurs, we are committed to continually improving this program, discovering new concepts, and working together. May this be the start of a bigger and better and more innovative Next Gen 10 years forward. Thank you all very much.
May this celebration also inspire us to continue work together to ensure the sustained growth and success of the franchising sector and strengthen our position as the franchise hub of Asia.
The PFA family has really been quite resilient and a great partner. Without your help, PFA mentors, we would not be able to achieve what we achieved today in helping our micro, small, and medium enterprises.
Congratulations to all our awardees and thank you for inspiring us all. May we all continue to uphold the spirit of excellence and sustainability in all that we do. Thank you and enjoy the rest of the evening.
Invest more today, franchise more tomorrow, and be a part of the journey that I believe will only get more and more exciting. Thank you very much, and may you all have a great conference.